fabulous, fabulous thing. Now, if you're going to be doing that, make sure you get your van serviced. And if you're from Sydney, and it doesn't matter what part of Sydney you're from, you've got to get your van serviced. And if you're going to get it serviced, then you go to Bold, B-O-L-D, Bold Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre. So they just don't do repairs or servicing, they'll do modifications for you. They'll do your bearings, the brakes, the hubs, the wheels, the springs, the axles, the lights, but they'll help you get a pink slip or a blue slip or a brown slip. They've got weighbridge tickets if you need them. They've got trailer parts. They've got accessories. If you've got an imported trailer, they'll help you get that converted so it's then complying with Australian law. They'll do insurance repairs. They'll do caravan awning replacements, brake control units. They got it all. So it's Bold, B-O-L-D, Bold Trailer and so if you just go to their website, I tell you, if you want something done, if you want your caravan serviced, your trailer serviced, your boat trailer serviced, whatever you want done, you go and see them because they are just terrific. And that's if you're getting yours serviced, but you might need a new one. And if you need a new one, where do you go? Well, you go to Caravans.